Dumela, welcome back to Sona Class. That's the Rea Museum. Actually, I asked a few friends of mine that I know speaks Tswana fluently all the time, and they don't have a word for museum, so I'm just gonna make one. Motlobo, wa ditso. I think that's somehow somewhat close to museum. So my wife is driving. Stella, where are we going? Yay! Rea museum. So we are driving from Philadelphia to Washington DC, the capital city of the USA, and yeah, it should take us about 3 hours. It's currently, what time is it? 10 minutes to 8, so hopefully we arrive around 10:30. That's a long drive. Anyway, see you in Washington DC. Raining like cats and dogs.
The bridge coming up.
We are going on top of a bridge that is on top of another bridge.
Yeah. An island.
The river has an island.
Covered, that's surrounded by water on every side.
What are we on top of, Stella?
We're on the bridge. We're going.
Yay! Yeah, that's one thing about driving in the US. There's always this nice places. Actually, we're at a gas station. So yeah, there's nice places where you can stop and get gas and food. So that's what we are doing right now. That means every time you stop, you are also taking from the minute. We're supposed to arrive at 10:30, so I'm sure now it says we're gonna arrive at almost 11 a.m. We almost were gonna make it on time. So we're going to the museum. Let's go.
It almost looks like a toy thing, even though it's not a toy thing. It's like real. You know, like. Also, really pretty the colors.
Stay in the middle 3 lanes. Check out the new psychedelic payout scratch off from the Ohio Lottery. It's only $10 for a shot and half a mil. With an extra stay in the right lane. Payout. Its
Wait,
prices go
ready to give you?
It could change.
Oh, so we're still in the tunnel.
Ooh, that was a tunnel. So we are in Washington DC. Washington DC. Museum. But before we get there, I have to get to the Embassy of Botswana.
And we didn't mean to match. We just.
Yeah, so let's go to the embassy first. say hello, and then go to the museums. Hello, Washington, D.C.
Yeah, the rain's gone.
It's gone. Okay.
I'm just gonna have to make the best of it.
At the Mexican consulate.
Yeah.
Stella. Okay, we're gonna walk to the embassy. In my pouch? Did I sit on a crack or something? Just like that. Dumela, we are basically in Botswana right now. Stella, what is Remo? Botswana. So, wow, this is. Okay, we are leaving Botswana. Now we are going to the museum.
First, we have to have lunch.
First, we have to have lunch. I didn't know about that. Okay, first we have to have lunch and then we are going to the museums. That is the Botswana embassy right there. Ooh, beautiful.
This is a turn only. Good.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn right.
Looks like I live here or something.
At the light, turn right into 7th Street Northwest.
Gah!
Okay, we were on our way to the museum. Then we remembered to eat. Aren't we gonna eat, children? So we're gonna eat and then we're gonna go to the museum. Okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Back.
We're going to the museum.
It's an elephant.
Sorry, Dad.
Am I supposed to touch the glass? So yes, we are in the museum. So I'm just gonna be quiet. I don't want to be recording people. Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine.
Sorry. Hey, Bye bye. You cannot see that, buddy.
You've been in here, right?
Yeah, we've been. And this is the African part of the museum. And I think some of the things that they got. How do Africans remember colonialism?
Bye. Go.
That's a big whale.
I'm like, are they real?
Okay, we just did the Museum of Natural History. Now we are going to the Aerospace
Air and space.
Air and Space Museum. Okay, so super excited about that. Let's go. One of the coolest places you have seen on TV. Somehow.
Run.
Like over there, that's where
Run. She's run.
President
Run.
inauguration happens, and this is where the crowd will be. So you have seen this place before, but not like this. This is cool. But we are on our way to the museum. The thing is, we could be driving there, but it's always like parking and everything. It's crazy. So we're just gonna walk from that museum to that museum over there, very far away. Also, one important fact is that 60 years ago, Martin Luther King was standing over there giving that "I have a dream" speech. So cool.
I want to record this, but on my phone is very good.
So we are inside the other museum. Look upstairs, Stella. Look up there. It's another aeroplane. A real life aeroplane. Isn't that cool, Stella?
Yeah.
We flew to St. Louis. Why did you fly there? Because, well, Girl Scout.
this stuff. How do they know what to do? That's a lot of
We
stuff.
flew there and flew back same day.
Look, Stella, that's where the pilot was sitting. You see that?
Yeah.
It's first class.
Lavatory. Oh, is that cool?
Come, Stella, come see this one. This is called a drone. You see that? It's a drone. All right, come, let's go. Oh, look, your favorite helicopter. Up there, look. It's a helicopter. Did you see a helicopter up there?
Helicopter.
Look, it's a spaceship. Spacesuit. Mama is right there.
Works for him right now.
Is that the actual suit?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where'd Mama go?
Come here and hug.
Michael Collins.
And I used it to go
Okay, we are done with the museums today. Whoa, we did a lot. Walked, we did the picnic thing, and now we're walking again back to the car. Then we are driving 3 hours to go back home. Fun times, fun times.